is time to do our summer 2022 FabFitFun. And in honor of it, you know, I just felt like a big beachy hat, mostly because we don't really have any vacations planned this summer. I'm in too many people's weddings to be able to plan a vacation, so I gotta get my vibes somehow, whenever I can. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Also, it's freaking huge. Look at, I can't even get it in frame. And I know sometimes, depending on what add-ons you got, they'll put it inside of another box, which here we go. Okay. There's the actual box. That's kind of pretty. I don't remember getting add-ons. I do not remember buying that, to be completely honest. I am so confused right now. So this is Green Goo, Plants with Purpose, Foot Care with Calendula, Yarrow, and Comfrey. I'm so confused. Well, this is in the box. I don't remember buying this as an add-on. I do maybe remember getting some masks, but I do not remember getting this. But either way, you know, I'll take it. This is the time of year where my feet, they need all the TLC they can get. I'm outside, all the time, in the heat. Anyways, oh, good Lord. This is the actual box, which is still freaking huge, but it's a very cute design. Let's go ahead and dive on in to this box. Now, I probably don't need to explain to you what FabFitFun is, but basically it's a seasonal box with some fun things, and I am one of the people who can choose all of their items, but with that being said, it's been a hot minute since I've chosen my items, so I don't really remember what's in here. So we'll figure it out together. So here's a completely useless magazine. I used to like this because they used to list out all of the products and what categories they were in. And they stopped doing that. And, you know, some people like these. There's some cool recipes for some tasties, don't get me wrong. That's cool. But I personally think that they are just now wasting paper on this magazine. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm not bitter. Oh, but there are some cute stickers, which I do really like the stickers, even though I usually just give them to my nephews. But that's fine also. Also, there is a coupon for $15 off your first FabFitFun box. I'll leave it up here on the screen for a minute. First come, first serve. Now, let's go ahead. I also have Roxy here, who's just a good girl. She wants her Bark Box, but it's not Bark Box Day. And also, I feel personally attacked because she thought it was Bark Box Day because I was putting on makeup. And so now in her brain, if I put on makeup, it's for Bark Box and nothing else. She's giving me the sweetest puppy dog look. And I'm sad to say, it's for nothing. Anyways, this first item, I'm a little confused right now. I'm not gonna lie. I don't remember picking out, but we'll just talk about it together. It is the KO Body Scrubber. It actually reminds me of a makeup brush cleaner. I did not pick this, unless it's one of the, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. We're just gonna fix that. Yeah, that was Roxy. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. You know, sometimes she just wants love. Anyways, I'm confused. I did not pick this. I do not remember this at all. But we'll just go with it, because apparently today it's just about going with it. Oh look, a coupon for something called Daily Harvest, which I think a lot of people have talked about. It's those smoothies. I can get $40 off my first box with the code FFFSummer. Interesting. But I have to get 24 items to get that $40 off. But, you know, maybe I'll check it out. Maybe I won't. The next thing that's in here is a sample of Liquid IV. I had a friend who got this at Costco, and she didn't really like it, but I'll try it. I drink a lot of electrolytes this time of year. God knows I need them. Oh, and here is a coupon for Bright Sellers, which I have done before. I really enjoy it. It is a wine subscription box, basically, and they personalize what wines you get based off of what you like. Now, moving forward, this I do remember picking, I think. Don't actually quote me on any of this. So here is a candle in the scent Sea Salt and Citrus. I'm a sucker for a candle. Always am. Always will be. We'll go ahead and open this bad boy up and give it a good sniff. It's a nice candle. And it's pretty simple. It's nice. I like a nice candle. Moving on to our next product, I have another box here, which again, I don't remember most of the things I picked out. Stacking canisters. I don't feel like I would have picked canisters. I'm a little confused, not gonna lie. Maybe I did? No, I did. I lied. I picked these. These look cute, and I wanted them for the guest bathroom. That's right. I really need to start filming, like, a screen share or something of, like, when I'm picking stuff out, because I don't remember half the time. But anyways, here is what the first canister looks like. I thought this would be cool with some, like, cotton balls, and then the other one would have some Q-tips or something, and it can go in the guest bathroom. Just riding the struggle bus right now, but I think they may be the same size. They are roughly the same size. I'm pretty sure they are, but one of them might be just a little bit bigger, but it's cute either way, and I like them. Moving forward, I don't remember what this is. It's probably a clothing item. It's semi-floral, and it's very much my aesthetic. Also, I'm sorry about the shadow. It's making me look like I'm wearing like a superhero mask, like in The Incredibles. I'm digging it. If you wanted to see the rest of my face, I'm so sorry. But anyways, if I remember correctly, this is... Oh, it's a wrap by Virginia Woolf, and it has a little guide on all the various ways you can wear it, which I really thought was cute because you can wear it as either swimsuit cover-up, you can actually wear it as kind of like a mini dress if you wanted to, or even just as a scarf. But I was a sucker for this because, I mean, it's not, I think, purely floral, but it's floral adjacent, anything in nature. You know, it's my jam. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so cute. And I think for now, we'll put this bad boy on. It really goes with the vibe of this whole video. So I think, ooh, what if we did like one of these? Yes, I love that for me. So cute. It's a whole vibe I'm going for today. I have to fake the beach because I can't really get to the beach. Anyways, this next item is by Tula Skincare. It is a Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen with SPF 30, which is great because I picked this very specifically because I was running out of my current morning moisturizer with SPF. So that's cool. Glad we got that. And then this next thing is a moisturizer by Ahava, which I've actually talked about in my Etsy videos. I enjoy Ahava as a brand. It's a good brand. Now, I know... Okay, well, I think we're already on my last product, unfortunately, and I'm a little confused because I swore I was supposed to have gotten a toner, but it does not look like I got a toner. But we'll go ahead and talk about this because I'm just making sure I didn't lose it. But anyways, my last product here is a basket, which I just thought was super cute. It's just kind of like a catch-all basket. I couldn't say no to this, I'm not gonna lie. It's a cute decor. It's probably gonna go on my coffee table. Anyways, I'm very confused about this doodad. Do not remember picking this out at all. Do not remember picking out the green goo, whatever that is. I was pretty sure I was supposed to get a toner. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to start screen recording what I choose and when I choose it because I think I done got cheated. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, doing all the things that make YouTube more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on the notification bell. Oh, I almost forgot to show off. No, I was wearing a fun ring today. Look at that. I haven't worn Snaky Boy in a hot minute, but I really enjoyed Snaky Boy, and I thought it just went with this whole, like, you know, vibe I'm rocking today. But yeah, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy out there. Thanks for watching.